Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on today's video I want to show you how you can update your headers and footers inside of DropFunnels to share it with your entire website and even all of your sales funnel. Because the beauty of DropFunnels is that you can share pop-ups, you can share headers, you can share the footers to the entire website. And what it means is that you have to create something once and you can use it on the entire platform and whatever pages that you choose to use it. So this is what I'm going to show you right here, right now. So the first way of doing this, and the first one that comes by default, is to create pages. And as you can see here, we have footer and we have headers. And if we click on the DropFunnels button, then we're going to have the ability to edit this header and edit this footer, okay? So right here you can insert like a logo. If you have a logo, I personally choose to add just text because it increases the load speed, and even though DropFunnels has a super fast load speed, I prefer to keep things really simple, black, white, all text. But if you have a logo, you can go ahead and click on photo and insert your logo right here. And DropFunnels takes the necessary steps to compress your image size and your images. So right here you have the logo, and on the right you can add a menu. And basically what it is, the menu is that you have the WordPress menu that you can create inside of appearance menu. And right here you can select the menu that you want to create or edit, and you have all the legal stuff that are coming by default with DropFunnels. So this one we're using it on the footer, and the main we're using it on the header. Now when you change this can be changed for the entire website or just for this page, okay? So if you choose to edit a page, the page will update on the entire website, okay? And the second way of updating this, so let me just show you the footer. So this is the footer, and right here you can add your logo, you can add your social media platforms. So you just have to edit, you put the link, and you change the icon. You have like thousands and thousands of icons coming directly in there. So let's see, cancel. And so basically right here I inserted a menu, and I choose vertical instead of horizontal as the header, and I choose another menu, which is the legal stuff here on the right. So if I update this one, we're going to see legal links, okay? And so this is advanced icons settings. So icons, advanced icons, and you drag and drop this and you will have the exact same as here, okay? So the second thing, so you can either create a page to host your header and your footer. So by default, these two pages are coming with the WordPress website. And also what you can do is actually save this entire row as a saved row, basically. So how you do that is that you click on this setting and you click on save as, and here you can put the name. So we're gonna put the name header website, okay? And so you can decide if it's global or not. And basically what it does is that global rows and columns and modules can be added to multiple pages, and when you edit it, it's going to edit in the entire website. And if you decide not to do that, then you can import this row like wherever you want on your website, and you can update it at different places without updating it on the entire website. So for me, I want my headers to have to be the same in everywhere, pretty much. So I'm going to choose yes, okay? And when I click save, it's going to save this thing as a row, okay? So when I go to builder, I'm going to have saved rows, okay? And so what I have to do, and you see right here, header website, and it's global. So when I change this, then it's going to change on the entire website. So let's take a look. And right here you can see we have so the default header, default footer, and right here we have the row that we saved, the row that we saved, okay? And so basically this row we can use it right here on the appearance, header and footer. So we can choose this row funnel template builder, let me see, header website right here. And if I do this, then it's going to replace the default page with a saved row. Okay. And so what we can do as well is when we create our sales funnels, we can decide to put a default header and a default footer for the entire sales funnel. So basically right here, I have 4 pages. And so if I view this page, you're going to see that the default header is the one of my website and the footer is the one of my website as well. And if I go to settings and if I change this, I'm going to choose header funnel and header and footer funnel. So these two are headers and footers that I've previously created for my funnels. Okay. And so when I update this and then I go back to view, we're going to see that this has changed for this header. So this is a simple row with my name and domain name that I've created, and the footer is simply my privacy, the terms, and the support with a Facebook ads disclaimer. Okay, so this is the beauty of using DropFunnels because let me turn this off. And so when you turn this off, then you're gonna have a website without header, without footer. Okay. Yeah, as I said, this is the beauty of using DropFunnels because you can share not only headers and footers, but you can also share pop-ups. You can share like basically any rows that you save, any columns that you save, any module that you save, and you can share this for the entire website. And on another video, I'm going to show you how to create an entire blog template that you can share to the entire website, and so it can lead to your sales funnel as well. And so all of your entire website is connected to your sales funnel. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them down below on the comments. And please subscribe to the channel. It helps me build more of this video. It helps me and it helps you guys to have more amazing content. So subscribe and turn on the notification button. And that's it for today. I wish you an amazing day and I will talk to you soon. Peace!